Have you ever had someone pull away from you and you have no idea why? Maybe a friend stops responding to you, a crush loses interest, or even a coworker starts acting a little cold to you. And you're left wondering, what did I do wrong? What if I told you there's one subtle mistake that pushes people away, that people make without realizing it? See, the trouble is most people think when somebody pulls away from us, it's because of some big dramatic event, some big catastrophe that's happened. But in reality, the most damaging mistake is one that's almost invisible. Here's the real kicker. The more you try and reconnect with that person, the more you end up pushing them away. So you might be asking yourself, well, how and why does this happen? Let me tell you. When you constantly explain yourself, over-apologize, or seek validation, it creates a power imbalance. It makes it feel like you're almost seeking permission to feel accepted. This unknowingly signals insecurity and ends up making your friends and family feel responsible for your emotional well-being, rather than feeling emotionally connected to you. How often do you find yourself following up texts with, sorry, I didn't mean to, sorry if this sounded weird, or sorry if I'm bugging you, or I didn't mean to text you too much, I hope I didn't upset you, or over-explain yourself? This may seem harmless enough, but it actually drains all respect and attraction from any relationship. So how do we fix this? How do we stop ourselves from over-apologizing, over-explaining, and going into too much detail that we don't need to, so that it doesn't feel bothersome to the other person? It's fairly simple. What you do is you say it once, and then you leave it. Just assume that you've explained yourself properly the first time. Do it confidently. Say the thing you want to say. No, I'm sorry, I'm not going over there. Yes, I think that sounds good. And then drop it. Because if you drop it, that indicates that you said your piece and now you wait for them to respond. This silence signals that you are respectful and worthy of respect. It creates attraction and it creates interest in who you are and what you have to say. So what this means is that when people are in relationships that they naturally feel drawn to, they're not chasing the other person. They feel drawn to them. So if you're making your relationships feel draining, like somebody has to chase you or that you're chasing them, it creates a space in the relationship that doesn't feel natural or even good. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever found yourself over-explaining yourself to someone? And if so, how'd it turn out? I bet not great, right? Let me know in the comments because I'd love to talk to you about it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.